A standard size standalone Corsair factory is always designed to be able to process as much as 1 million kilos of plastic waste per month. From these 12 million kilos of plastic waste per year, we are able to generate as much as 10 million liters of oil annually. The market price right now for 1 liter of ISCC certified high-quality pyrolysis oil is approximately $1 per liter. This means that a standalone factory will be able to generate an annual revenue of approximately $10 million. To build one of these factories, which would stand on a footprint of approximately 10,000 square meters and be able to process these 12 million kilos a year, would typically cost, as a global average, somewhere between $6 to $8 million to build. Once the facility has reached its full capacity, which we are able to do within 18 to 24 months, would generate an annual profit of approximately $6 to $8 million a year. As you can see from here, the financial model of a standalone Corsair factory is very attractive and very efficient.